Mix condensed milk with lemon and surprise yourself with the result. In a container, I will start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk. I will squeeze 1 lemon and now just mix very well. And this will be the sweet spot coming. Reserve on the side. Here I'm going to crush cornstarch biscuit, but it's to taste, like you can use the traditional. Here I'm using chocolate. You can also grind it in a blender or even break it only with your hands. Mine here is already great. I will take a cup. I will add 3 tablespoons from this already crushed biscuit and on top add it to our cream. With your own spoon, now just spread this one cream all over the cup. I'll take to the refrigerator just to give a cold one. And on top to decorate, I added shell of lemon. It's also to taste. Guys, you can be making dessert in a container of your choice. Here I made in a cup, but you can make a pot, small platter, it's to your liking. Guys, look at the dessert. This one's wonderful. Do it at your home for you and your entire family. Super fast, easy and simple to be done. Use only 3 ingredients that you have at home. And I hope you have enjoyed. This was another little recipe here at Pour in the Kitchen. That's strong hold until the next time, and thanks for watching.